Hey, Sanger Unified staff and teachers, this is Rachel. I'm here to show you a quick tip on modifying your dashboard. Something that you'll notice is that sometimes you might see this kind of hazy, um, I don't know, view or image on your course cards, and you're like, why is it so hazy? So I'm just going to show you real quick. If you don't like that, you can get rid of it. Up here on the top right hand corner, the magic three dots, if you click color overlay, voila, it goes away. Or if you unclick it, excuse me. And then if you click it again, it comes back. And the color overlay you'll see is going to match whatever color you have chosen on your three dots within your course. So I have blue here, so my overlay is blue. You'll see here my overlay is green, and I've chosen green for my course color. So if you don't like it, you can get rid of it. Just uncheck color overlay.